I will compare the new Xiaomi 15 Ultra with Honor Magic 6 Ultimate. Xiaomi 15 Ultra 6.73 inches LTP AMOLED display and success ratio 20:9. Honor Magic 6 Ultimate 6.8 inches LTP OLED display and success ratio 19:5:9. Xiaomi 15 Ultra run on the Android 15 operating system. Honor Magic 6 Ultimate run on the Android 14 operating system. Xiaomi 15 Ultra it comes with 12GB, 16GB RAM and 256GB, 512GB, 1TB internal storage. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Lite processor, 8GB and 930. Honor Magic 6 Ultimate it comes with 16GB RAM and 512GB, 1TB internal storage. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, 8GB and 750. Xiaomi 15 Ultra real set quad camera setup 50MP plus 50MP plus 200MP plus 50MP front camera 32MP. Honor Magic 6 Ultimate real set triple camera setup 50MP plus 108MP plus 50MP front camera 50MP. Xiaomi 15 Ultra 5410 mAh battery, 90W fast charging support. Honor Magic 6 Ultimate 5600 mAh battery, 8W faster, 80W fast charging support.